Hello world, I'm Angarlo, and today I'm going to ask you, do you actually understand what the Bitcoin difficulty adjustment is? Many people don't. In fact, the majority of people don't. And they think that the more computing power, the more miners, or the less miners that you put in the network, basically translate into more Bitcoin or less Bitcoin being produced. I'm here to tell you today that's far from reality. One of the key qualities that Bitcoin has is this characteristic, which is that this decentralized code has in there basically an adjustment of the complexity or how difficult it is based on the overall computing power of the network to produce new Bitcoin in such a way that basically Bitcoin always beats at the same rate. Every 10 minutes there is a new block, and today that block basically rewards one miner with 3.125 new Bitcoins, and that reward gets cut in half every 4 years. It doesn't matter if the entire world adds new computing power, if China, which is exactly what happens, decides to ban mining for a few years. I think that is going to change soon, but it doesn't matter. The network self-regulates thanks to the difficulty adjustment. So now you have new information to teach your fellow Bitcoiners, to teach those skeptics that doesn't understand this. And if you want to learn more, give me a follow and like and share this.